2023 Prius or 2024, if you're fortunate enough, kinda, to own one of these. That's, I guess, a good thing, unless you have a very big deductible, or if you're unsuspecting and you buy one of these used. I've had people call me up saying they needed this assembly, they bought it from a used car dealer, they found out their AC wasn't working, and I asked them, and it was like a new 20, 21, 22, and I go, is it a Prius Prime? And I go, did you buy it from a used car dealer? And they'll say yes. The reason your AC is not working because it was in a collision, it was possibly a total, and it may or may not have a salvage title on it. But I'll bet you when you take off your bumper cover, you're gonna find some wires or some tubing here bent up, or some broken connectors right here, and they did not pay to get it fixed because of the cost of this assembly that is not sold in individual parts. And you see there's a lot of parts here, and you're looking at a few $1,000s right here, and just one little tap on the bumper and that's it. You're paying a few $1,000s. That simple. All right, I'm gonna get charging this up. This is YF refrigerant. Where's their label? They're putting it back together. The label's missing. But yeah, YF refrigerant. You can tell by the slightly different how big this is and how tall it is that's YF refrigerant. And you see this little assembly here. There's a little, looks like, are they putting a solenoid or expansion valve back there? But you can see there's lots of solenoids here. This one looks a little bit different than the previous years. I think they did something different. Right in here looks different. I think I don't remember this solenoid sticking out like this from the few previous years. A lot of wires here to get damaged. And does this look like somebody did some wrapping and repairing? Well, we'll find out. Sometimes these little connectors get ripped out inside here.